Hey guys, I'm Demelza and you're watching a Demmy art tutorial. So a few months back, I started this channel and my sole aim was and is still to teach everyone out there around the globe how to draw despite your age. So I thought of a way of making money for a good cause and doing what I love, and I came up with this. Now this is where I so need your help. Please, I need you to subscribe to the channel and watch the videos and also share them to your friends. I'm really sure I have helped someone or even people with different approaches or ways when it comes to drawing something. So as I help you guys out there by posting videos every week, I also need you guys to subscribe and watch my video so I can monetize this account. Please try not to turn a deaf ear to what I have just said. And also show your support by just clicking the button below on your screen. If you have any suggestions or questions or anything to share with me, you can drop them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to reply any question or suggestion you have. If your question is private and you don't want anyone to see it, you can send me a message through social media. My social media account username is showing on your screen. So thanks for listening. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a maple leaf. So I'll start by drawing the width and the height of the drawing. Then I'll use straight lines to draw the central vein. Next, using a curve mark, I'll draw the shape of the stalk. Next step is to draw a hemisphere to mark a border where the fingers of the leaf will start to grow. Then with straight lines, mark the boundaries of each leaf finger. Then with short lines, mark the widest places of the leaf fingers. After that, draw the overall shape of the leaf with a zigzag. Next, we'll show with a line the point where the stalk and the two lower leaf fingers join. Now, draw the leaf stalk and also draw the central vein shape with the curls. Then after that, sketch up smaller veins. Continue to draw the veins and start working on the detailed silhouettes of the leaf. Now we are trying to vary thickness and the blackness of the line. Please do not forget to erase unnecessary lines and intensify your strokes. And our leaf is ready. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel before leaving and clicking the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, make sure to drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll be replying to every comment. Goodbye. See you guys next time.